EA-J100 weight sensor troubleshooting instructions. How to troubleshoot inaccurate tank weight or tank overweight. Check if the tank is calibrated. Check if the weight sensor and its harness are working. Replace the spraying bus. Check if the tank is calibrated. Ensure there is no remaining liquid in the tank. In the spraying settings, click on Tank Weight Calibration. According to the prompt, lift the tank horizontally. Wait for 5s and then place the tank back horizontally in its original position. Click on Start Tare. After the successful tare prompt, check if the current weight displayed on the remote controller is tared. If there's an overweight error reported by a single weight sensor, first, disconnect both the main and backup drone batteries. Remove the water pipes on both sides of the tank. Take out the tank horizontally. Follow the remote controller's prompts to check for any damage or looseness in the left rear weight sensor's harness. If the harness is fine, replace the weight sensor by unplugging the harness. Remove the 4 screws around the left rear weight sensor and take it out. Place the new weight sensor horizontally above the beam and align it with the holes for installation. After installation, plug the harness back in. If there's no overweight error reported by a single weight sensor, work with only that sensor. Use each single weight sensor in sequence for weighing. And observe if it functions normally with the tank inside. Move on to the next weight sensor for testing and replacement if necessary. Replace the spraying bus. If there are no issues with the weight sensor and harness but the overweight prompt persists, open the front cover of the drone to replace the spraying bus. It's easier to replace the spraying bus after unplugging the other lines. Unplug and replace the spraying bus after removing it.